Are you a passionate Pokemon card collector or serious trader? Do you wish there was one simple tool to manage everything, from tracking cards and market values to calculating profits? Welcome to the ultimate Notion Pokemon Card Collection Tracker. Let's dive in and show you exactly how it works. Managing your collection across spreadsheets and apps can be frustrating. This template gives collectors, traders and investors one place to do it all. Easily manage your favorite cards, track your full collection, calculate profits and enjoy a Pokédex style view. Every official Pokémon set is already preloaded from base set 1 to the latest releases. As soon as new sets are announced, we will update the template for you. Just scroll through and you will see exactly how much you've collected from each set. You can give every set a status. Not collected, currently collecting, or collected. Choose which set you are completing and it will show up on top. As you can see, there is a progress bar at every set, showing you exactly how far you've come collecting a set. When you click on a set, like Prismatic Evolutions, you will see all the cards inside. Everything is organized and ready to track. Simply check off what you own and move on. It's that easy. Now let's take a look at a single card page and all its properties. Each card has detailed properties to help you stay organized. The first property is number list. This means the Pokemon number of a certain set. After this comes the name and the rarity of the Pokemon. As you can see, there are a lot of different rarities. The duplicate property stands for how many cards you have of a certain Pokemon. So if you have 2 times the same card, you fill in number 1 at duplicate. If you have a card 3 times, you fill in 2 at duplicates. After this, we take a look at the property card condition and its options. The property card status shows if the card is open to partial trade, partial sell, not open for sale, open to sell, or open for trade. You can also choose both open to sell and open for trade. Then when we go back to the Pokemon card base, you can easily filter on card status. Open to sell and or open to trade. The next property is card types. Take a look at the options. The property after this is collected. Simply click on this when you own this card. In this way you can easily keep track of all the Pokemon cards you own. The progress bar of how many Pokemons of a certain set you own also automatically gets updated. The next property is how collected. Here you can choose traded, packed or bought. The next property is bought for. Here you can fill in the price you paid for the Pokemon card. If you traded it, you can also fill in an estimated price. If you packed it, you can leave it empty. After this, we have given you the link to the price checker. In this way you can always check the value of your Pokemon card. If you want to track the price changes since the last time you checked, you can fill in the property current market value. It is important to fill in the current market value because this property is connected to the total Pokemon card collection value. In the next property you can choose to make your card a favorite. This way it will be added to the dashboard. After this you can choose whether your card is graded or not. If the answer is yes, you can fill in the grade afterwards. At the date property you can fill in the date you collected the card. And not to forget, you can also add a photo of your own Pokemon card. In this way you can go to the dashboard and check your favorite cards. You can go to layout and change the card preview from card image to my card. In this way it will show your own cards. We also offer a Pokédex view to give you another option to look at the Pokémons. Finally, we have the Pokemon card collection value page. This automatically pulls in your card data, showing total bought for, market value and profit loss. You will see your entire portfolio's value and how much profit you've made overall. That is the full walkthrough of the Pokemon card collection tracker. Whether you are a collector, flipper or investor, this template gives you full control.